All right, y'all, what's up? What's up? I am so excited. So I cannot get enough of kale greens, collard greens. It is so delicious. Oh, man. Yes. Vegan, of course. All right, so for dinner, we decided that we was going to eat collard greens, and then we wanted to have kale, too. So we did a half a bag of kale greens, and a half a bag of collard greens. You already know, if you cook collard greens, you know that the collard greens shrink. But I want to show you this. Look how seasoned this is. We include those mini bell peppers, you know, the ones that come with orange, yellow, and red, that you can just basically eat raw. Yeah, so we have some of that in here, as you can see. We also have some onions, and we've chopped up some garlic. We also use for the seasoning the McCormick, which is my favorite, roasted garlic and herb. Y'all cannot wait. Look at this. Also, what goes well with collard greens? What? Cornbread. Look at this. Delicious vegan cornbread. I know the corn in the back. I'm like, what? Yes, I had to taste it. This is what's for dinner. Something simple and delicious, y'all. And guess what? You know I gotta have some of that pot liquor. That's what they call it. The juice from the collard greens, pot liquor. Yes, you get your cornbread. After you finish eating your greens, get that cornbread, sock it up in that juice. What? If you don't know about that, go ahead and ask your mama. Like, if you my age, just know I'm young, right? At least I feel like it. Ask your mama about pot liquor. If your grandpa still alive, ask them about pot liquor. Yeah, I'm not talking about actually liquor, y'all. Like I said, it's that juice from these greens that you use your cornbread and you sock it up. Look, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. Hit that bell to be notified, y'all. You know I love to show you vegan dishes. Oh my gosh, and I can go on and on and on. Just don't forget to come on board, watch these videos, tell your friends, tell everybody. And y'all, don't forget to try these dishes. You will love it. Again, like I said, no meat, straight vegan. Okay? All right, everybody need their greens. All right, even if you eat meat and you just want to transition, greens will help detox your body. Okay, so even though we don't eat meat, we still want our bodies to be detoxed from the chemicals from outside. You know, when you drive, you can smell the fumes anywhere. It goes inside your body. We want our body detox. Okay, and make sure you go to the bathroom 2 or 3 times a day. That's not bad. That's good. You cleansing your body. Oh, yes, y'all. I can't wait to eat. I'm going to go ahead and fix my plate and fix tomorrow, y'all, and I will show you how it looks. All right, y'all. I just want to show you this juice from these greens. You see this? This is that pot liquor. All right, so I have my bowl right here. I need to add some juice to here because like I was telling you, when I eat all my greens, this is the juice that I am going to be using with my cornbread. Now, when I was little, when my mom made greens, now leave a comment down below if you did this too. My mom made greens. She cut up some onions to go on top with some tomatoes. And back then, back in her time, I guess, they chopped up the onions and tomatoes and all that. And then they had the cornbread and they used their hands. My mom still do that. I used to look at my mom like, what in the world? And then I saw her doing it and I started to do it. But then I just started to use my fork too. But majority of the time now I use my fork. So again, you see that juice? That's for the flavor. Okay? Now let's cut this cornbread. All right, y'all, let me give you a close look, y'all. I'm excited on these greens. And let me tell you, this cornbread, y'all, when I tell you this cornbread is so soft. Look at this. I put it in a long pan instead of a smaller pan. So that's why the cornbread looks small or thin. You see this? All this juice. Look at this. All right, let's give this a taste. All right, hold on. Wow. I never cooked greens before using a bay leaf, but y'all try it. Now, for this cornbread, we're gonna go ahead and slop it up a little bit in this pot liquor. That's what we call it. I told y'all. Ooh. This right here is so good. Let me show you again real quick. Then I gotta eat, y'all. This right here, look. You don't have to have like 10 things for dinner. Like these greens with this cornbread. Now, of course, I got some water. Y'all, that's good for me. It's good for me. And like I was telling y'all, if you have not tried using those different color vegetables, let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna let you see this one more time. Y'all, I am going to eat. I'm gonna show you one more time my greens. Oh, just you can see the garlic pieces in here. And like I said, this is the yellow pepper and that's the onion. All right, y'all, so go ahead and make you some greens. Make you some greens and cornbread. And this will be a wonderful, easy, delicious dinner. All right, y'all, so let me go ahead and finish eating. Until next time, I will see you later. Peace.